One nation, four countries. When most people think of the United Kingdom, they think of famous landmarks like Big Ben, London Bridge and Buckingham Palace, or Stonehenge, red double-decker buses and Shakespeare's birthplace. These things are English. However, the UK is much more than England. Queen Elizabeth II is the Queen of England, but she is also the Queen of the United Kingdom. Other things the countries of the UK share are driving on the left, fish and chips, the British pound and, of course, the English language. The United Kingdom consists of four countries: England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. You may also have heard of Great Britain. Great Britain is the three countries England, Scotland and Wales. If you look at the map, you will see that they form one island. The UK, on the other hand, is made up of Great Britain and Northern Ireland on the island of Ireland. Each of the countries in the United Kingdom is unique. Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland all have their own versions of Celtic languages in addition to distinct accents when they speak English. They have their own histories, cultures, food and traditions. Separately, the people of the UK are English, Scottish, Welsh and Northern Irish. Together they are British. Don't insult someone from Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland by calling them English. England. Green and pleasant England is the largest country in the UK. It covers most of Great Britain and has a population of 53 million people. That's a lot of people in a small place. Millions of tourists visit England each year. Maybe you have been there. Some tourists like to go to historic sites like Stonehenge or to see the treasures at the British Museum. Musicals like The Lion King at theatres in London's West End are also popular. Busy London is the capital of England and the UK. It is the largest city in Europe and one of the world's most important cities. People from every corner of the planet live and work there. England has many other large cities too. Cities further north, such as Birmingham, Liverpool and Manchester, were once filled with factories. This is where the Industrial Revolution started. Scotland. Where can you hear bagpipes and see men wearing skirts? In Scotland, bagpipes are a traditional instrument, and the national costume is a woolen skirt called a kilt. Only men wear kilts, and underneath them they don't wear anything at all. Scotland has a long and proud history. In the past, powerful clans ruled this Celtic nation. They lived in the mountainous highlands and had family names like Campbell, Stewart and MacGregor. Today, most of the population of 5 million lives in cities and towns further south. The capital, Edinburgh, is Scotland's second largest city after Glasgow. J.K. Rowling wrote the first Harry Potter book in cafes in Edinburgh's historic Old Town. Scotland has inspired the imagination of others too. Some people believe that Nessie, the Loch Ness monster, lives in Scotland's largest lake. Northern Ireland. With a population of just under 2 million people, Northern Ireland is the smallest country in the UK. It is a land of storytellers and conflict. Have you read about the magical kingdom of Narnia? C.S. Lewis, the man who wrote these books, was born in Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland shares a border and a long and turbulent history with the Republic of Ireland. Some people feel that Northern Ireland should be part of the Republic of Ireland. Others feel it should stay part of the UK. There has been a lot of fighting and violence over this issue, especially in the towns and cities like the capital Belfast. Many years ago, the Titanic was built at one of Belfast's shipyards. Do you know what happened to this ship? Wales. Wales has a rich history and culture. It is a small country with a population of 3 million. Most people live in or close to the capital Cardiff. That's where the writer Roald Dahl was born. In Wales there are 4 times as many sheep as people. The beautiful countryside is also dotted with castles like Caerphilly, one of Europe's largest. Wales is often called the land of song. Music festivals called Eisteddfods are popular during the summer month, and choirs practice all year to compete at these events. Cymru is the Welsh name for Wales. Many people speak Welsh, a Celtic language, and children learn it at school. The Welsh alphabet doesn't have the letters K, Q, V, and Z. The longest place name in the world is a Welsh town called Du. Can you say that?